Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and welcome to today's tutorial demonstrating how you can search for boards in Pencil Spaces. So in Pencil Spaces, you have the opportunity to create an unlimited amount of boards and rename these boards. So these boards can be renamed to indicate what was done on that board to help you better locate them. So to search for a board by name, you can go to the left-hand side of your screen and select View Boards. From there, you'll be displayed all of your boards. To search for one by name, just select the search bar and type out the name of your board. So I have renamed these boards based on the date that the lesson took place. So I'm going to search for the board correlating to the lesson that took place on June 1st. So I'm just going to type out the date. You will then be shown the board that correlates to the title that you typed into the search bar. I'm going to click on it. And I have now been taken directly to the board where I can review the content. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to click the help button found at the top right-hand side of your screen. You can like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all things new at Pencil Spaces.